ownership of their community. They must contribute their quota towards the realization of the greater vision that our amiable governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, has for Lagos, and by extension, what my humble self too has for our community. We've been trying our utmost best to ensure that we raise the bar of governance by ensuring that we have our footprint in almost all the sector, particularly the road infrastructure within the community. You will agree with me that even though that Ayegemotor Road fall under the purview of the federal government, state government, apart from constructing the road, as at the time that place was constructed, that was the time Bodilon 2 was constructed, and they have the same designs. And since they have constructed that, and the construction was handled by the same contractors, so what that means is that in terms of quality, the two roads, they are of the same quality, they are of the same standard. But since the completion of the commission of that road, I am aware that Lagos State government, because of the attitude of our people to waste disposal, because of the attitude of our people to their environment, because of the disposition of our people to our community, the Lagos State government, they have cause to intervene in that stretch of the road for more than three times. So what that simply tells us is the deplorable state of that road was largely caused by the people within that community as a result of their lack of discipline, particularly those people that have habit of dumping their waste in the drainage or in the gutter within that community. So I want to make a passionate appeal to them that if you are talking of government have their own role to play. The government too, they must also play their role for us to be able to reposition our community to occupy its rightful position within the committee of developed municipality, for us to be able to reposition it to occupy its position within the committee of developed and modern cities. So we must change our attitude, we must change our disposition, we must inculcate discipline, we must play our role by ensuring that we patronize licensed PSP operators, as against giving it to cart pushers, as against dumping it in the drain. So we must change it. So if we want the sustainability, of course, definitely government will come there, because the people within that area, they are not just part of Lagos State, they are important part of Lagos State, given their disposition to progressive platform, given what they have been doing to ensure that we continue to remain, that the progressive platform continue to remain relevant in the political architecture of the state. But that is not sufficient reason for them to be indisciplined. That is not sufficient reason for them to dump waste in the drainage. So what I'm saying in essence is that going forward, for us to achieve the sustainability of that road infrastructure, we must be disciplined, we must be passionate about our community, we must have positive disposition towards our environment, and we must play the role that is expected of us as responsible and patriotic citizens of Nigeria. Our road infrastructure program. Apart from the ongoing construction of drain at Ojo Street, there are a lot of roads that we just completed. There are some that are still ongoing, like Majolate, Tinubu Street, Adeshiyon, Matomi, Cole Street, Smith Street, Fafolu, Kumuyi, Abiodun, and presently post office is about 80 or 85% completion. So there are a lot of things that we are doing.